Welcome back to Beyond the Stethoscope, a series where we highlight the great things providers at Trinity Health Mid-Atlantic are doing to create a healthier community across the greater Philadelphia area. Today we are highlighting some of that work as we discuss a new outpatient center coming to Yardley, Pennsylvania in Bucks County next month. I am joined by Amy Gravelle and Joe Fisher, who are leading the way for this project, and they are here to share what the community can expect from the new center. Amy and Joe, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today. Thanks. So I'm really excited to learn about this new center. Can you tell me what the community should expect from this new center in Yardley?
Yeah, so this new center is really geared to be another big access point for our patients in that area. We have a very well-established community with St. Mary's and the surrounding area, so we're adding an additional point where patients can receive primary care and some specialty care as well in a busy area in town.
Yeah, we're very excited. This will be one of our first places where we'll have outpatient ultrasound services under our umbrella as well. So happy to provide that as service.
That's great. And some of the specialty services, did you want to expand on what would be offered?
Yeah, really looking to make sure we're supporting women's services in that area, right. OBGYN, breast, plastics, and then, like Joe said, the ultrasound.
That's great. And is there any reason specifically you were looking to Bucks County, Yardley?
I think to expand upon our current footprint already, we have a lot of great patients in that area, so we want to be accessible to them and make sure they know we're here in that market.
Yeah, it's a convenient access to care point, as Amy mentioned. It's conveniently not too located too far from the hospital as well.
So I understand that you're actually revitalizing a current existing building in the community versus breaking ground on a new project or on a new construction project. Do you want to tell me about that?
Sure. We always prefer, if we can, to do a renovation project versus a full-on construction. It's faster for us to bring it to market. It's usually cheaper as well, so kind of works both ways. So this is a great opportunity to where we were approached by the landlord quite some time ago. It's located right next to McCaffrey's supermarket, so anyone in the area really knows that that's really an anchor of the Yardley market. So being able to locate ourselves right next to them was really great for visibility as well.
Wonderful. Yeah, so you're getting drive-by visibility just already. That's great. So the Trinity Health Mid-Atlantic group is really, I know I've learned through doing these podcasts with your group that it's really important to serve the community. Are there any other things that you wanted to mention about, just the integration to the community of this new outpatient center?
That's a great question. So I think one of the things we're really excited about is, in bringing the ultrasound service, that's something that traditionally people have had to try to get into the hospital for, which can sometimes be difficult. So being able to offer that, off campus, you don't have to worry about trying to navigate through the hospital. Definitely excited to do that, and it'll also alleviate some of the stress at the hospital itself.
Kind of just taking away that barrier to care that is so important. And I know, for a community as busy as Yardley is, I know that's going to be really important. Anything else you want to add about the new center, what to expect, timeline, anything like that?
So really excited. We're hoping to be able to advertise a ribbon cutting within the next 2 weeks or so, nice. Then officially be open for patients, new and existing.
Exciting. What advice would you recommend to people in terms of booking their appointments, getting seen at this new center?
They can always call the office and get an appointment right away, but also they can schedule online if they're an active MyChart user, or if they're not, they can still sign up online, which is an easy way to skip the phone call and get right on the schedule for even some of our specialists as well.
Oh, great. That's wonderful. Any new expansions within the medical group that are happening in the upcoming time frame that you'd like to talk about?
Besides this one, I think we've really been leaning into that one-stop shop model where you have your primary care provider and some specialists right on site. So we do have this at our Eastwick location in Philadelphia as well. Same sort of model, primary care on one side and specialty on the other. And it's we're really picking up a lot of volume there.
That's amazing. Yeah, just the fact that you could be seen for multiple things at once or multiple family members. I know for busy folks, that's really important. So I know when we were talking about those barriers to care that can be challenging, are there any other ways that you hope that this, outpatient center can help people access care?
Yeah, I'd say we are really looking to serve our patients in the right way. And so we would be looking to expand our hours as well, make sure we're available after work, on the weekends, same day walk-in type appointments. So making sure we're meeting people where they need the care.
That's a theme that I keep picking up from this medical group, meeting people where they need the care. I think that's so important. Thank you for that. That's great. Well, congratulations to you both. This is such an exciting project. I look forward to seeing photos from the ribbon cutting. That'll be so exciting. Thanks for taking the time today.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah. Thank you, Amy and Joe, for joining us and letting us know a little bit more about the great things happening around our community. If you would like to learn more about the Yardley Outpatient Center and the services that will open there next month, follow the link in the description below. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to get the latest episodes of Beyond the Stethoscope every other Thursday.